Okay, hello guys, welcome to engghelpline.com, and this is Akhil Nair. This tutorial is on the basic Linux commands using Ubuntu that will help you with your college experiments, or you can use it to simply learn Linux using Ubuntu. The Ubuntu version I'm using is 13.10, that is Saucy Salamander, which has nothing to do with this tutorial because these commands will also work on previous versions of Ubuntu. So let's get started. So today the first command is pwd, which also stands for print working directory. This will display the current directory you're in. For example, in this case it is /home/Akhil. And our next command is ls. The ls command is also called as the listing command, which will list all the files and the folders in your current path. All the blue colored ones are the folders, whereas the white colored ones are the files. The third command is mkdir, which also stands for make directory. It is followed by another name. Say in this case, let's just put Akhil. Now we have created another new folder called as Akhil. If you want to just list it, just use the ls command again, and you will see Akhil over here. Okay, so, and if you want to remove it, then the command you use rmdir followed by that name, which rmdir stands for remove directory. And again, to view if it's still present or not, just type ls again, and you'll see that the Akhil folder is gone completely. Also, make sure that while using this command, the folder you're deleting is empty, else it won't work. The fifth command is cd, that also stands for change directory. This is also similar to the same command as used in command prompt in Windows. Say if I want to go to the documents folder, then I'll simply write cd documents and then press enter. So now we are in documents folder, as you can see here. And if you want to come back to the previous destination, just type cd space dot dot, and that's there you are back to your original path. Now as in Windows, similarly like a text editor like a notepad, we have in Ubuntu gedit, that is the genome editor. So if you want to edit any file, or if you want to create a new text file, just type gedit followed by the name of that file. Say I'll just write test over here and press enter, and now you see there's a new window open called test. I'll just type something here. Say hi, this is basic Linux commands, and then just save the file, close it, and make sure unless the file is closed, you won't be able to use terminal. Okay, and now if you want to list your file, just use your file, just press ls, and you see the name of your file as basic Linux commands. Okay, now if you want to view your file again, just type gedit and the name of the file, or you can use the cat function, that is cat basic Linux commands. Sorry, the name of the file is cat test, my bad. Yeah, you see, so like this I have my file and all the contents are displayed on the terminal. And similarly with this also, you don't need to worry about compiling a program in C++ or Java because it is already installed. And if you want to create a C++ folder, just type gedit, your name of the file, along with your extension. Say for this case, let's keep it as C++. Press enter and you have a new file. So when you type the C++ commands, it will automatically turn into the desired color as necessary. So it's all according to you. Okay, so our next command is cp. The cp command helps you to copy one file to another folder. For example, let's say your test file, if it's still there, you'll just type the path. So we need the path. We obtain the path using pwd. So now we know the path of my test file is /home/akhil, and I want to move it to the documents folder. So what I'll do is just simply write cd documents, press enter, and then use the pwd command again. Now I have my documents part 2. Now to use the cp command, just type cp space your source file, that is /home/akhil/name of the file, that is the test, and then space / your destination folder path, that is home/akhil/documents. I'm sorry. Now see, I have my test file in documents. So in that, and if I'm going back to my home path, I have my original file here too. Now see this test file here. Okay. Now the next file, let's create another file that will explain the working of this new next command properly. Let's just keep it test2. Say right, hi, this is let's just save it and close it. Okay, so the next command is diff. Diff compares the two files line by line. For example, that's diff, the name of the file, that is test space and the next file, test2. Okay, now you see all the lines have been, both the files have been compared line by line. So that's what this command does, diff. The next command is ifconfig, which is used to configure, control and query TCP/IP or network interface. That is, ifconfig actually stands for interface configuration. So just type ifconfig and just press enter. Now this will configure everything: your network interface, your control, the total bytes you're sending, you're receiving, etc, etc. Okay, the next command is the ping command. The ping command is followed by the web page address. That helps you to actually calculate the path followed by the package to reach your source, from the source web page to the destination web page. Like say for example, I just write ping www.google.com, press here, and this will display all the packets sent, the time required for that packet to reach that destination address, etc, etc. This will keep on going on. So just to come out of it, just press Ctrl+C. Now you have come out of it, and it will show you all the statistics. That is, 18 packets were transmitted, out of which 14 were received, 22% packet loss, time, etc, etc, and everything. And the last command, but not the least, is the man command. The man command stands for the manual or the manual pages of your Ubuntu commands, which is usually followed by any other command. For example, I'll just write cp command, that's a copy command, and this displays all the name, the synopsis, and the description of the cp command. Like, say, if we use -a or archive, same as all the properties of the different tags, etc. And to come out of it, just press q. And so guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also please visit our site, that is engghelpline.com.